开，开，
Open.
Open.
开车，开车，
Drive. Drive a car.
Drive. Drive a car.
他去哪儿了？他去哪儿了？
Where has she gone?
Where has she gone?
他去学开车了。他去学开车了。
She has gone to a driving lesson.
She has gone to a driving lesson.
你是怎么来饭店的？你是怎么来饭店的？
How did you come to the restaurant?
How did you come to the restaurant?
我是开车来的。我是开车来的。
I came by car.
I came by car.
他开出租车几年了？他开出租车几年了？
How many years has he been driving a taxi?
How many years has he been driving a taxi?
6年了。6年了。
6 years.
6 years.
开始。开始。
Start.
Start.
你是什么时候开始打篮球的？你是什么时候开始打篮球的？
When did you start playing basketball?
When did you start playing basketball?
我是10岁开始打篮球的。我是10岁开始打篮球的。
I started playing basketball when I was 10.
I started playing basketball when I was 10.
你从几岁开始学习游泳？你从几岁开始学习游泳？
At what age did you start to learn swimming?
At what age did you start to learn swimming?
我从5岁开始学习游泳。我从5岁开始学习游泳。
I started to learn swimming at the age of 5.
I started to learn swimming at the age of 5.
开会。开会。
Have a meeting.
Have a meeting.
我们下午开会讨论这个问题。我们下午开会讨论这个问题。
We have a meeting in the afternoon to discuss this issue.
We have a meeting in the afternoon to discuss this issue.
开玩笑。开玩笑。
Make fun of.
Make fun of.
我只是开玩笑而已。我只是开玩笑而已。
I'm just joking.
I'm just joking.
别开玩笑，认真学习。别开玩笑，认真学习。
Don't joke, study hard.
Don't joke, study hard.
开着。开着。
Open. Turn on.
Open. Turn on.
门没关，开着呢。门没关，开着呢。
The door isn't closed, it's open.
The door isn't closed, it's open.
电视开着，他在睡觉。电视开着，他在睡觉。
The TV was on, and he was sleeping.
The TV was on, and he was sleeping.
开心。开心。
Happy.
Happy.
他跟朋友越聊越开心。他跟朋友越聊越开心。
The more he chatted with his friends, the happier he was.
The more he chatted with his friends, the happier he was.
开学。开学。
School opens. Term begins.
School opens. Term begins.
孩子们下个星期开学。孩子们下个星期开学。
The kids go back to school next week.
The kids go back to school next week.
离开，离开，
Leave.
Leave.
你什么时候离开北京？你什么时候离开北京？
When did you leave Beijing?
When did you leave Beijing?
下个星期一，下个星期一，
Next Monday.
Next Monday.
走开，走开，
Go away.
Go away.
你走开，请别打扰我。你走开，请别打扰我。
You go away, please don't disturb me.
You go away, please don't disturb me.
开花，开花，
Bloom. Blossom.
Bloom. Blossom.
我家的茶花树开花了。我家的茶花树开花了。
My camellia tree is blooming.
My camellia tree is blooming.
开水，开水，
Boiling water.
Boiling water.
你咳嗽了，别喝冷饮，多喝白开水。你咳嗽了，别喝冷饮，多喝白开水。
You have a cough, don't drink cold drinks, drink more boiled water.
You have a cough, don't drink cold drinks, drink more boiled water.
谢谢观看。